come in. How to check your SMPS on this one, black and green comes for black and green. See here, black and green fan is running. So now we connect this one to black. Okay, first of all you set multimeter to 20 volt direct current. First of all black connect to a black. Okay, so I'll test one by one. Now I'm going to test this one. Yellow is 12 volt. Yellow, okay, yellow will be 12 volt. Is it black is not there. Yellow is 12 volt. And next is that I'm going to check here orange. Okay, orange is 3.4. okay, 3.4. and now I'm going to check this one. This blue one is -11. That one is not working. Blue. Then I'm going to check the orange is 3.3. now I'm going to check the red wire is 5.2. so I'm going to check the purple. Okay, violet, this one is purple. We check that is 5 point something. Okay, so this is how to test your SMPS voltage. This color code I have different types of voltage, different type of current flow, the flow of current here. Okay, clear? So like this how to test your SMPS.